Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about a TikToker star who shoots to fame by demolishing terrible life hacks. Yes, we are talking about the legend Khabe, who destroys the 5-minute useless life hacks. So let's discuss this video in deep detail, but before going to detail, I wanna say if you didn't subscribe my channel then please subscribe and press the bell icon too for latest updates. Let's get started. Is there anything worse than those useless 5-minute life hacks that pop up on your timeline? Hmm? One man has decided to take matter into his own hands by posting videos on TikTok, calling out these so-called life hacks, and people are loving it. Khabe Lame is the ultimate life hack fact checker, testing out tips that are uploaded all the time across internet. Legend Khabe was born in Senegal, Western Africa, and raised in Chivasso, Italy, according to Bro Bible. People seems to enjoy his myth-busting TikTok as Khabe has a staggering 793.3 million likes altogether and 59 million followers, making him the most followed Italian TikToker. From the silly to ridiculous, Khabe got it covered with his deadpan expressions. Here are some of our favorites. In one video, a woman shows us that by removing the toilet tube by pushing it through, you can pull and take paper from the inside the roller. We are not sure why we would ever need to do this. We use it every day, so if there were any problem, we are pretty sure we would have been discovered them by now. So, the toilet roll life hack seemed pretty pointless to us, and neither does Khabe, as the clip then moves on to him looking unimpressed as it hilariously shows how everyone has been using toilet roller since the beginning of time by tearing off on the outside at the end. Khabe responds by showing how unnecessary the hack is. After tearing a piece of loo roll off, he Cecily uses both hands to point at what he has just done. This video alone has whooping 2.0 million 210 million views along with 23.9 million likes and 167,000 comments. Khabe shows that we have always opened the banana is quicker than any hack. We didn't think there was an easier alternative to eating a banana than peeling it. Of all, we have been peeling them with our hands since we were evolved to have opposable thumbs, and that was a while back. But somehow, a life hack page has made us questioning everything when they showed themselves cutting off the skin on each side of the banana. Not to worry though, Khabe has squished or peeled shell, we say this hack by showing how much quicker it is to actually peel a banana rather than spending ages meticulously cutting around it. He wants to be peeled banana and shakes his head in disbelief. We couldn't believe it either, Khabe. This video has had 239.9 million views, 34.7 million likes, and 3,89,000 comments. Who even has scissor in the car anyway? Now we can concede that this isn't as common using toilet roll or peeling a banana or per se, but this hack is just plain ridiculous. The whole point of a hack is to solve a problem and not create another one, like this particular hack did when it advised people who got their top trapped in a car door to cut their top with scissor in order to release it. Don't know about you, but we don't want to have to cut up our favorite top instead of just opening the car door, which is exactly what Khabe did to demonstrate the stupidity of the hack. Khabe showing that simply opening the car door will release your top from being trapped. This video has over 193.5 million views, 25 million likes, and 176,000 comments. So hopefully no one will ever use scissor for them to free themselves from a car. A towel has was never going to work as a Lilo, as Khabe highlighted in the TikTok. Another video which has 50 million views, 6.8 million likes, and 62,000 comments showing a man using his towel and a pillow as a Lilo. It obviously turns out to be a complete fail when the man jumps on top of the towel. The thin material couldn't float, and we can all see that, so not sure why this is being described as a hack. But leave it to Khabe to see the record straight. He shows how you can about getting simply by purchasing a Lilo that is actually designed to hold up a person who would have taught it. The TikToker looked relaxed in the pool as he gave his famous deadpan expression and cheekily pointed at the Lilo he was lying on. We could honestly watch Khabe's video all day and can't wait to see what other hacks he will be pulling apart in future. Thanks for watching the video.